Hey folks, we're going to be taking a look at 1.10b1a 2023. Long title, pretty simple worksheet. So you've got these tables here, and what's difficult about it is they're laying them horizontally here. So here's your x and y. Your x is 5, your y is 1, your x is 10, your y is 2, x is 15, your y is 3. What's happening here? Well, we're dividing by 5. So in this case here, we would just write our y is equal to whatever x is divided by 5. You could write it this way too, y equals x divided by 5. Most of the time in 6th and 7th grade, 8th grade up, we're using the fraction bar. So figure out what's going on and write a y equals x statement for those down here. When George works 8 hours, he earns $80. When George works 10 hours, he earns $100. When George works 12 hours, he earns $120. Circle the letter of the equation that relates to the dollars George earns, y, to the number of hours he works, x. This is a lot of words. This is really complicated. Let's start off by completing the chart. 8 hours, $80. 10 hours, 100. 12 hours, 120. How are we getting from x to y? X to y here. Is it x divided by 10? Is it x plus 72? Or is it x times 10? Yeah, this is y equals 10x. I usually would say y is equal, I know kids want to say y equals x times 10, but we usually just write it this way, y equals 10x. All right, you got a couple sheets here. The next one is laid out exactly like this. Couple word problems, couple of tables. I think you can handle it. Thanks so much for listening.